What you will be doing in this video is learning how to add a drop-down button in Excel 2011. This is what you're going to be creating. If you notice, there's a drop-down that contains the values that were previously used. That is what you'll be creating. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure the data that you're going to be including in this drop-down menu that you're going to create is available somewhere in your workbook. Next, you'll grab the cell and highlight it where your drop-down list is actually going to be included. You want to select data on the menu, then select the validation option. In the validation criteria section, allow has a drop-down. You want to select list from that set of options, and that reveals a source field. What you want to do at that point is take your mouse and click and drag to select all of the information that you would like to have included. Hit the return key, and your drop down has now been successfully compiled and completed for one cell, but we want that same drop down to exist in all of these cells. So we'll simply highlight that cell and grab the right lower corner of that cell, drag it down as far as you would like for it to go, release it, and now you will notice your drop down is available at every cell. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. If you would like to be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, take a look at some of our other videos that are related to this particular subject.